Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to mute an Instagram conversation call on Android. If you're someone who uses Instagram's messaging feature frequently, then you might be receiving calls that you don't want to answer. Muting individual conversations on Instagram is a great way to avoid unwanted calls. In this video, we'll show you how to do that in a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the messenger icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your direct message inbox. Next, find the conversation that you want to mute. Long press on the conversation and a menu will appear. Tap on Mute Calls option to proceed. This will bring up a confirmation screen asking if you're sure you want to mute the call. If you're sure you want to mute the call, tap on Mute to confirm. The call will then be muted for that specific conversation. You can mute as many conversations as you like by repeating the process above. It's important to note that when you mute a call, you will still receive messages from that conversation. The only difference is that you won't receive any call notifications. Muting conversations is a great way to avoid unwanted calls and keep your inbox organized and tidy. It can also help you to declutter your notifications and focus on the conversations that matter. In summary, muting conversations on Instagram is a quick and easy way to avoid unwanted calls. By following the simple steps outlined in this tutorial, you can keep your conversations organized and tidy. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.